There's a luxury ceiling fan with LED light fixture and also a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so it comes with a remote. So this is how it works. I'll go ahead and turn on the light. And then the ceiling fan. So the wings are usually in it, or the ceiling fan blades are in there. Then when it starts, it will come out of it. Very, very silent one. And it blows very good air. It has 6 speed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Also, you can change between the light color. It has 3 lights color temperature. I'm going to turn the ceiling fan on. Okay, so the wings will go, or the wings or the blades will be shouldered. We'll go back to 8th position. This is how it looks like. Okay. So it's back in its place. Yeah.